Alright guys, so something I want to get a little better about on this channel is getting on YouTube and keeping you guys updated a little bit better on the main stocks that we cover on this channel. So we cover a lot of stocks, but I know we have a lot of people that are very loyal and very plugged into Alibaba, Nvidia, AMD, Square, Disney, Facebook. So the bigger stocks that I cover, one thing I want to improve in is getting news reported on those stocks a little quicker. I was actually talking to a subscriber through text about an hour ago, and I mentioned this big price target boost that Nvidia got 2 weeks ago, and he had no idea what I was talking about. So he mentioned to me that he uses YouTube to stay plugged into all of that, to stay plugged in to any kind of late breaking news on the stocks that he trades. And I didn't really say anything back to that. It just gave me an idea that I need to start getting a little bit better about updating, you know, the main stocks we cover on this channel when news hits. So let's go check out this target boost that Nvidia got back on the 28th of September. So guys, back on the 28th, Nvidia, it gained on target boost to 50% upside. Okay, so Evercore maintains an outperform rating on Nvidia, and it raised its price target from $300 to $400, a 50% upside. Okay, so this was pretty big news. I want to say the stock took off and ran maybe 6 or 7% over the next couple of days, and now it's kind of drifted back. There's another really good article over here on Yahoo Finance. I will link it up down in my description box if you want to go take a look at it and read it. But it basically just states why Nvidia could rally to $400. I have a personal belief that Nvidia is a $500 to $1,000 stock in a couple of years. But you know, definitely check out this article. You know, one thing I do want to emphasize, guys, is that upgrades from firms, investment firms, and upgrades from banks isn't necessarily what's going to make a stock run. But, however, I do feel it's very important to stress when this news hits, because what it does is it boosts investors' confidence, and it's doing it on a very broad scale. Okay, so it is important to recognize these upgrades and downgrades that these companies give out, because like I said, it is very widespread and reaches everybody, can see these news articles and stuff like that, and it helps, like I said, it can really help a stock run. It can really help give confidence to the investor, or it can take away, like in the case of a downgrade. You know, sometimes all it takes is one downgrade to come out, and a stock will lose all of its momentum. So it's very, very important that we do look at each one of these news articles and you know, take into consideration the importance that they have. And real quick, I'll just mention this too. Over here on Tip Ranks, the average analyst rating is a moderate buy and about a $292 price target on Nvidia. So it looks like we're seeing highs of $360 and lows of $225. Okay, we can jam down here and it will show you all the different investment firms and banks and their rating and price targets. Okay, now like I said, I'm very bullish on Nvidia. I think you know, it ran 1,500% over the past 2.5 years, and honestly I think it's just getting started. I think the stock's going to run up. They're probably going to have to split pretty soon. They're probably going to have to split the stock price back pretty soon. But, however, with things like M1 Finance, they might not have to. You know, I've been thinking Amazon and Google should have been split back years ago. And Amazon just keeps running. You know, it's $1,900 to $2,000 a share. Doesn't seem like it has any effect at all on the movement of the stock. Like I said, same thing with Google. So you know, now that the individual investor has a lot of tools at their disposal, like an M1 Finance, where you can buy fractional shares, I guess I don't see as much importance in it anymore, because instead of getting a whole share, you can get a half a share or a quarter of a share, or you can just get $20 worth of the stock if that's all you can afford at the time. So anyways, I wanted to bring this to y'all's attention. I hope you enjoyed this little video, guys. Let me know what you think, and drop me a like and leave me a comment and tell me what you think about, you know, this upgrade that Nvidia just got. So thanks for watching, guys.